The new semester began today. Did they break the window yesterday? The girl broke the window yesterday. The boy broke the window yesterday. The sun rose over the sea. The sun rose over the school. Did the winter semester begin today? I didn't put leftover pork in the microwave. His brother broke the window yesterday. The sun rose over the beach.
The summer vacation began today.
I put leftover milk in the microwave. Did Jason's friend break the window yesterday? Did the sun rise over the sea? I didn't put leftover milk in the microwave.
Did the summer vacation begin today? Did the winter vacation begin today?
Jason's friend broke the window yesterday. Did the Thanksgiving holidays begin today?
The Easter holidays began today.